What's up guys? Sama ko si Tito Earl. Late na kami. From Laguna, from Quiapo. Ayan, Viva Nazareno. Amayin mo ako.
Ayaw, lumapit sa akin.
Hindi, maliligo tayo sa CR dito mamaya. Okay, saan tayo dadaan? We're here sa Grand Hyatt, by the way, for the Honor. Shot on Honor 400 to. We vlogger, oh. Good evening! Logging in sa Honor X90 5G launch here sa Grand Hyatt Hotel. Check it out, yo. Watch this video for our coverage.
Distinguished guests to our online viewers.
Check us out.
Yan. And of course, kung gusto nyo pong marinig yung mga songs na pinperform namin, lahat po yan available sa lahat ng digital streaming platform, Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music. Of course, yung music videos na
Motif ng this evening.
Anong outfit for tonight?
Oh, what's the color motif? Sabi ni Pao, please wear black
Oh, yun. With a hint of red.
with a konting red.
Oh, sino nagkamali?
Sam YG,
Oh.
anong kulay ng suit mo?
Pare, alam niyo naman ako. Nandito ako parang Indianin kayo. No? Kaya talagang brown suot ko. Sinadya ko yan.
Hindi white, hindi black. Luzon, Visayas,
Go, Pao! Sir Pao!
welcome to our first and biggest launch. Sending my sincere greetings to our distinguished leaders of honor. We have here Mr. Sean Yuan, our country manager. Of course, we have here Mr. Stephen Chen, our vice president. Please stand, sir. Of course, our GD of the. Where are you guys? Thank you for joining us tonight and for bringing your radiance and influence to this milestone moment. And of course, we would also like to recognize our valued dealer partners from Ability is our DNA. And nowhere is this more evident than in the Honor X series.
Here's our food. This is hamon iberico cheese croquette. Madilim lang agad. Yun! Ganda.
Runs smoother and loads out twice as quickly, giving you a seamless experience every day. With Google Gemini and access everything you need instantly through Magic Portal 2.0.
Over the world. Pero, ang tanong natin lahat, magkano? How much does this powerhouse of a mobile technology?
Everyone, first of all, thank you, Pao and Jaynard. Smartphone in the Philippines, we are determined to continue our commitment to offer the best smartphone experience and value. 21,999 pesos. Of course, in our commitment to marry quality and affordability, we have ensured that in the Philippines, we're giving the Honor X90 5G for only 18,999 pesos. But who are we if not full of surprises, right? Honor X90 5G. And now,
Oh! Wow!
Yes, let's Cybertruck.
Driver. Ako po si Jerry
Sour
Ramos.
soup.
Almost 4 years na po ay Grand Freeland Grand Food Rider. At ako
We'd like to invite our Honor Philippines team to come up on
Our
stage.
food,
for a
pasta.
photo op. Of course,
Minsan kasi, di ba, buksan mo yung bintana ng plane mo, wala na itsa mo. Ay, minsan
Next food.
now introducing the next batch of our awardee.
Right, dessert na kami. Dessert, strawberry. Alright.
1, 2, 3, now! Magpapalipas na pula. Labis, ako na humaling. Sabit sa bawat sandali, ika'y makapiling. Piliw, hayaang lumapit. Huwag mo sanang ipagkain, mamalas ang langit. Ano na daraman tuwing makikita kang dumarating? Pulihong let me know if this what yours to decide. See it. Oh, 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 and I feel sa aking bansa ang maghapon ay naroon pa rin. Ang tawa natin humahalay sa ingin natin dalawa. Subalit ngayon wala. Yung isang flashlight, yung mga nag-alay, may pa ba pwedeng pakitaas? Yung mga nasa staff, wala ba kayong mga phone? Or bawal ba? Okay, sige, get bawal nga. Sige, ngayon nakataas na. Ngayon ibababa natin yung ating mga phone. Subalit ngayon wala pa, baba niyo muna yung flashlight mo. Ikaw ang lumayo na, lumayo ang muling mapagdiyan. Tayo'y muling magkasama. Ang dati ay baliwala.
So that's our biglaan na video test using the Honor X90 5G. Tama ba? Magamit ko. Okay, tama. At pauwi na kami. And booking a Grab car ride using my Honor 90. Okay, so naka-out na yung SRP. 18,999 for the regular price. But nag-pre-order ka, you get it only 17,999 and you can get a chance to win a Tesla Cybertruck worth 17 million pesos. Ganun katindi si Honor. Pa-event, magpa-raffle, magpa-promo. Matindi. Sobrang tindi. So, natin naman nanalo na yun. Okay, nakabook na tayo. Toyota Avanza. Okay, panalo. So, yun. Thank you guys for watching. I'll do more vlog test using the Honor X90 5G. At least makita nyo, event condition, no? Kapag shoot tayo during the event. Ayun. So, ayun. Pahinga na muna ako, no? At kita-kits tayo sa next video. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And see you guys in the next video vlog. Kasama ko yung aking mga grab mates. Si Aaron Nomo. And si Josh.
Uy, yan o.
Oh, yeah, drop test. Grabe, sige, bye.